Do you have dry, damaged, over-processed, maybe bleached or colored hair and you want to repair them as fast as possible? Let me tell you what you need to know. When your hair is bleached, colored, dry, and damaged, people understand it to be only dry, so they assume that they're only going to need products that include hydration, moisture, things like this. But actually, when your hair is colored, bleached, processed, dry, damaged, splitting, breaking off, it really needs a lot of proteins, moisture, shine, completely different things to nourish it and bring it back to health. Okay, so when you're looking to restore your hair and you want it to be as fast as possible, you need to be looking at products that repair the hair from the inside out. When your hair is dry and damaged, I want you to imagine it's basically like being really thirsty and really hungry. Okay, so imagine when you're really thirsty and really hungry, and then you only have 1 glass of water a day. Does that make sense? So when we're talking about repairing dry and damaged hair, you need to be giving it moisture and protein, like really good food, like a good steak, like every day. Okay, so you need to be hydrating and giving it protein every single day. What can we do to make that happen? I'm going to recommend that you need three top things. Okay, you need 1, a shampoo, a mask, and something you can leave in that you're going to apply every single day. You might not wash your hair every single day, okay? But that's like your basics. You need shampoo because when you wash it, it needs to be nourishing and hydrating. You need a mask that's going to be nourishing, hydrating, giving it strength, giving it protein. Then you need either a leave-in treatment or like we have a lot of oils now that do like multi-benefit, okay? I'm going to give you an example. This range here, Miracle 11 Australia shampoo. This is a conditioner, aka treatment as well, because it's super nourishing. And this is the leave-in, which you can apply every day on wet and dry hair. Now let me read the benefits in here. It adds shine, smoothness, softness, controls frizz, flyaways, moisturizes, strengthens fine and fragile hair, prevents split ends, detangles, protects against heat styling, enhances natural body, repairs dry damaged hair, protects your hair with UVA and UVE filters, prevents chlorine and sun damage, okay? So these are the type of things that you need to be applying to your hair every day to give it the hydration, to give it the water and the steak that your hair is going to need to repair split ends and repair any chemical damage from bleach and color processing. These are my 3 top recommendations that you need to be doing as soon as possible if you have dry and damaged hair and you want to make it right as fast as possible. If you need any help, please get in touch. I'm Georgina from Hair Care Cyprus. I'm your hair care guru and I can help you with anything your hair needs. Have a lovely day.